Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video. I just have a little unboxing of Merit Cosmetics. I've been wanting to try them for so long after seeing them all over social media, and I finally decided to partner with them. They reached out and sent me this box, and I'm going to open it and share with you guys. Merit is a clean beauty brand. They've been around for a while. They have a good group of people that are Merit beauty people. They're vegan, cruelty-free, skin-centric, so skin-loving ingredients, no pore-clogging ingredients, I'm assuming, and impossible to mess up products designed to meet the reality of your daily routine, which is, I am very minimalistic when it comes to makeup, and I like multitasking products, like sticks and easy to travel with, and that is them. So as makeup you can live in, and in your first order, I think in everyone's first order, you get their signature bag, which is this cute corduroy bag that I've been wanting for so long. I have a friend on Instagram, Corinth, and I'll tag her, or I will link her Instagram page down below, but she shares Merit Beauty a lot, and she always looks so pretty. So this is their bag. It ties. It's like a travel makeup bag. I'm really excited to finally have one. It's really cute. All right, so I think they sent me just a couple of things. This is a lipstick, a Day Glow highlighting balm, and then a blending brush. So I'll open these. Their packaging is really pretty. I'm gonna show you up close so you can see. Little gold detail. All right, this is the signature lipstick, lightweight matte lipstick in the shade Classic. I think this is going to be like pretty neutral. Oh, this is beautiful. In a neutral-ish pink shade. If you have not been following me since the beginning, I used to be a beauty blogger, and I did makeup looks and makeup reviews and all kinds of things like that all the time. So this is like, they're taking me back, but this is a shade Classic. Does this twist off? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I miss doing beauty videos. Let me know if I should do makeup tutorials. It will be I just feel like it would be so boring now because I'm so boring with my makeup now. I'd never do makeup looks or any fun makeup. Maybe I should just get back into it. Smell test, I always have to smell everything. Doesn't have a smell. Let's do a swatch. That's so pretty. It feels very smooth too. It didn't go on sticky. It looks like it's going to be a really comfortable matte lipstick. See how it dries down and wears. I'll let you guys know, but that's a really pretty color. Like a natural pink color. Definitely my kind of shade. Next is blending brush. I'll just open this and show you. Cutie little brush. It looks like a really short and dense brush, and it's angled. Ooh, this is gonna be great for blending this highlight that they gave me too. I don't know what the bristles are made out of, but this looks like, oh, it's super soft. Just one of those that feels like silk. Does it say what it's made out of? Let's see. Minimalist Beauty. #1 tool in your kit. Use it to blend and you won't be able to tell where your skin and your makeup meet. After applying Minimalist, which I don't know what that is, probably the foundation, move the brush lightly upward and outward to buff into skin if needed. Use it to seamlessly blend out additional products. This is so soft. Smell test again, doesn't smell like anything. Last is just a highlighting balm, which is one of my favorite products. So right now I use, and for the last 5 years, I've used a tinted foundation, which in the spring, summer, and fall, it's my SPF tinted like moisturizer, super lightweight but glowy, and then a highlighter, do my brows with a little pencil and some mascara, and that's about it. On date night I might wear lipstick and some eyeshadow. Super minimalist, so I really think I'm going to just love this brand so much. So this is in the shade Solstice. They do have different shades of this as well. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a little bronzy highlight. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. Again, it's super smooth going on. It doesn't like tug on the skin. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to put this on my skin. That's it. I told you this is going to be quick and easy. Let me know if you've tried Merit and what products you love. I'm already ready to order some more. Let me know if you want me to do any makeup tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will put the link to shop Merit Beauty down below. Bye.